if you would like to see and adjust some of the Lightroom mobile settings, inside of Lightroom, go into your Preferences, and then click on the Lightroom Mobile tab. Here you can see your account information. It will also tell you how many photos you have synced, and you can also delete that data if you'd like. You may need to do this if you plan on switching your catalogs from one to another. You can also click on this button here to access your account information online. This checkbox in the options will prevent your computer from going to sleep while it's syncing your catalog. You can also choose a location for your Lightroom mobile images to be stored on your computer. This way you can put them on an external hard drive instead of the default, which is just on your main computer drive. This area at the bottom will show you any pending sync activity, so if you have images that need to be uploaded or downloaded.